Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. The topic for discussion is work-life balance. Work and family are both central to our way of life. Work and family both. Work and family both required. They are very important in our way of life. Finding a balance between the two is an issue of importance to men and women. So you need to balance yourself between work life and family life. You have to find out a way. You have to make it balanced. The work life and also the family life. You have to make it balanced. 50% of families have two wage earners. 50% of the families wage earners. Wife and husband both are working. Stress comes from two primary sources. Role strain, spillover. How stress comes? Stress comes from two primary sources. One source is role strain. The second source is spill over. Role strain means you are working. You are working. So that is role strain. Then spillover, after working something may be there, no? After working something may be there, no? That is spillover. The mobile phone. We use mobile phone we use. Okay? Strain will be there. That will be the role strain. If you are working in a mobile company, always looking at the mobile like this, that is role strain. After putting the mobile there, that is spill strain. That means you worked. So that mobile spill strain means whatever left is there, that you carry home. That should not be there. Not only the working in mobile company, anywhere, in any office. Role strain is excessive travel which impacts parenting role. Role strain impacts parenting role. As father, as mother, it impacts. Spillover is when the conditions and relationships in one area of our lives affect us in another area. Role strain affecting parenting role. Spillover strain affecting conditions and relationships in one area of our lives affect us in another area. In one area it will be there, in another area also it affects us. That is spillover. Role strain and spillover. Inflexible work hours. An overbearing supervisor can have negative impact on his family. On his family life, there will be negative impact for the overbearing supervisor. Why? Because he has hours to work in the office. Unsupportive partner, inequities in the division of housework and child care can have negative impact on our work. Work-life balance is satisfactory levels between the roles in a person's life. Both roles, the work role and family role, both are to be satisfactory in a person's life. Let it be male or female. Satisfaction balance with work, non-work roles. Satisfaction you need to balance between work role and non-work role. Life areas, let us see. 1. Financial. 2. Wellness. 3. Career. 4. Social. 5. Personal. These are the areas. Work-life balance strategies at organizational level. 1. Flex time. 2. Job sharing. 3. Part-time employment. These are the work-life balance strategies at organizational level. Then benefits, let us see. 1. Reduced stress level. 2. Control over time management in meeting work-life commitments. 3. Organization understands and supports employees with family responsibilities. Balance is equal distribution. Very difficult to balance all 5 areas of life to live a harmonious life. Very difficult to have the balance in 5 areas to live harmonious living. Steps to make workplace more family friendly. Let us see how it is. Gain support for making the organization family friendly. Establish a reference group. Assess the culture of your family. Write down family goals. A balance between work and family responsibilities occurs when a person's need to meet family commitments is accepted and respected in the workplace. Strike a balance between work life, family life, and self life. Work life balance is a stimulator to desired organizational outcomes. Work life balance varies among employees on the basis of gender, marital status, working partner, and dependents in the family. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.